The number 4 on the list is
the Skil 10 inches dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Model MS630500 is a versatile and precision-engineered power tool designed to meet the needs of both amateur and professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. This miter saw is characterized by its 10-inch blade, which offers ample cutting capacity for a wide range of projects. The dual bevel feature allows the user to make angled cuts in both directions without the need to flip the workpiece, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. With a sliding compound design, the MS630500 provides the flexibility to slide the blade horizontally along the rails, granting the ability to cut wider boards with ease. This feature is particularly valuable for tasks like crown molding, baseboards, and larger framing projects. Its accurate and repeatable miter and bevel adjustments, combined with a laser guide system, ensure that you can achieve precise and consistent cuts every time. The saw is designed for ease of use and safety, featuring a clear blade guard and a dust collection system to maintain a clean and safe workspace. Constructed with durable materials and built for long-term reliability, the Skil MS630500 is a dependable choice for a range of woodworking applications. Whether you're working on carpentry, cabinetry, or trim projects, this miter saw offers the power and precision to help you achieve professional quality results. Its user-friendly design and advanced features make it an excellent addition to any workshop, ensuring you can tackle a variety of cutting tasks with confidence and efficiency.
The number 3 on the list is
the DeWalt miter saw. Model DWS779 is a versatile and highly functional power tool designed to meet the needs of both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a 12-inch double bevel sliding compound design, this miter saw offers exceptional cutting capacity and precision. The stainless steel detent plate equipped with 10 positive stops allows for quick and accurate miter angle adjustments, making it ideal for a wide range of cutting applications. One of the standout features of the DWS779 is its camlock handle, which enhances user convenience by ensuring a secure and stable operation. This handle design provides a firm grip and helps maintain control during cutting tasks, resulting in cleaner and more precise cuts. The saw is corded, ensuring consistent and reliable power delivery for extended usage, making it an excellent choice for professionals who require consistent performance on the job. With its combination of cutting capacity, precision, and durability, the DeWalt DWS779 is a valuable addition to any workshop or job site, helping users achieve high-quality results with ease.
The number 2 on the list is
an error occurred. Either the engine you requested does not exist or there was another issue processing your request. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.openeye.com.
The number 1 on the list is
the DeWalt Miter Saw. Model DWS 713 is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precise cutting in woodworking and construction projects. This 10-inch miter saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, ensuring it can effortlessly tackle a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're working on crown molding, baseboards, or other intricate trim work, this saw provides the cutting capacity and accuracy you need. One of the standout features of the DWS 713 is its single bevel and compound capabilities. This means it can tilt in one direction for bevel cuts and swing in both directions for miter cuts, allowing for complex angle combinations. The single bevel design simplifies the process, making it easier to achieve accurate cuts without constant adjustments. It also features a precise miter system with a stainless steel detent plate and 11 positive stops for increased productivity and accuracy. The saw's portable and compact design, along with a carry handle, makes it easy to transport to job sites or move around your workshop. It also includes a dust bag to help keep your workspace clean. With its durable construction and user-friendly features, the DeWalt DWS 713 miter saw is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve precise and efficient cutting results in their woodworking projects.